Ah, Wally here. Guys, I'm in the shed. Little bit of maintenance needed. I need to... That goes in. I need to tidy my shed, but I need to get these saws sorted, guys. I've been running both saws pretty hard, so I just want to show you what I was talking about the other day when it comes to maintenance and stuff. Focus, Wally. Focus. Anyway, stay tuned. You're in a funny place. Stay tuned. Get these in there, might be a wee bit better. Okay. First of all, I need to Jesus, I need to tidy. First of all, I need to sort out my bar issue with the Oregon, or sorry, with the 435. So if you remember, the bar got stuck. This saw needs a good clean. I must take it in and get it cleaned. So I saw some guys on the chainsaw shack looking at showing these ratchets, but they were specifically for chainsaws. But this is what I use when I'm in the shed, just a normal ratchet. Okay, so what happened was my tip got gummed up, and just you should see the stuff that's in there. Now, it is always the way, guys, when you start doing these things, that you realise you never know where the WD-40 is. I do have one that is pretty much new. The problem with WD-40 I find is that the pressure runs out in them. These are a handy little tool. So this is the bar that I was crooning about the other day, about how great it was, and then I got the bloody tip stuck. The sprocket is stuck. Oh, she's not going anywhere. That bar is in very good condition. But anyway, guys, just thought I'd come on. I've been doing a lot of two-stroking lately. Two-stroking. A lot of strimming and a lot of frankensawing. To tell you the truth, I'm very tired. My back is very sore. Yeah, there's no external greaser on this. There's no wee nipple. So what I need to do is I need to figure out what is stuck, what is jamming it. And guys, that this saw was underpowered in that eucalyptus completely. There's some crap in there, you know, and there's probably the oil, or sorry, the sap and stuff from all the pine down at Red Branch as well. So what's the best way to do this? She doesn't want to move. Doesn't want to move. Hang on, I'll go get my other WD-40. Forgot to turn these back on. Okay, so got a wee piece of wire. Flatten the end of it with the hammer. She's moving. Here we go. So sometimes these cogs, sprockets, wheels, whatever you want to call them, just pick up crap, look, you know. So, and this is my fault. I haven't been, Bruno, get out of me spuds, will you? Bruno likes digging up the spuds for me. Spuds or potatoes. Guys, I have been neglecting my saws lately. I'm normally very, very good at it. No, I'm not going to say very, very good at it. I'm normally okay at maintaining my saws and checking sprockets and greasing stuff up, and I don't know why. I don't know why he swallowed a fly. So, save yourselves a bit of messing about, guys. Look after your saws, okay? And I will show you a really good example of that on the frankensaw now. She's not running really freely, but I'm assuming that once I get the chain on, and there's your little bend in that sprocket. Anywho, yeah, once I get the chain on, it should make a big difference. Fire it up, then and blow the lugs in this enclosed space. I do have another bar for it, the Rototech one, the small Rototech one. You can see in the difference in the distance, sorry. But to tell you the truth, this argan one has lasted so long that it's never even gone onto the saw. You know, where's the Husqvarna one is hanging up over there. The one that came with the saw, it didn't last very long, a year maybe. And at that stage I wasn't doing a lot of cutting, whereas at this stage I'm cutting nearly every day. So flip your bars. dress your rails. That's the thing I didn't do. I'll show you what happened there. Clean out the gunk on the inside of your clutch. Remember, I'm not an expert, guys. I'm sure there's loads more other things. And if I had a compressor, this would be so much easier. So much easier. But I gotta say, it's a cracking bar. Oregon Speed Cut Aluminium Core. That is the one. Now, tell me this. I might leave this here. I might do this as two separate videos because I have to do the frankensaw next. What bars you run, guys? I see all these shuggy horror bars or sugar horror bars or whatever you call them, and I go, oh, they look nice. And then I look at the price and I go, oh. Oh. Can't afford that. Nah. Give your treads a wee scrub as well. Probably should have done this with the thing off. There's a saw that is gummed up and dirty from all the sappy stuff I've been doing. Bruno, we have a little song. Bruno, he likes to play Uno. Doesn't really make any sense or anything, but hey. She's done. She is done. Right. Going to the frankensaw next, guys. Stay frosty.